Hey, what's up, guys? It's Sami again here, and again from Netherlands. Let's continue with our software, with our project, and but uh, before that I'm going to begin with that. Let me again repeat that I am not Python expert and I am not Python developer, and this is the first project that I'm making in Python. I'm coming from Java, and uh, that's why I do my best to take it so simple. And but if you sometimes see it's just first project and first experience in pure Python. Okay, let's see. This was our project, and let's check it out. Like this. This was our project. Uh, this is how it looks like, and if I'm clicking here, for example, I get my charts from several charts from our charts and charts from somewhere else, and we have here a generate wallet. We are be able to generate private public key, and again we have here contact form. But now I have add a page here, and it say identity verification, and it says uh, uh, it says um, I forgot. Okay, it says you have to verificate your identity. For that, in Netherlands there is so strict rules about that, and you have to, for example, if you want to buy or sell or do something like that, you have to say who are you or who you are, and for that you have to upload for you to make a photo of yourself, of your identity. Okay, and now let's make a page to get these files from our user and put it somewhere in our machine for further review, or it is going to verificate it or not. For that thing, I am going here to my index page, and that is index page. And take a look here. I have here a text, and it say identity verification, and if I am coming here, you see it's just a copy of a table what I have there. Just these are just standard, and here it say when I click there, when I'm going to click here on this link, you redirect me to this one, verification. Okay, that is good. And I want here in verification here in this page, I want to make a mechanism to get the files from our users. For that thing, you see here I have here some texts to say, just some parameter, and here just let's make just a simple, like some type of form or like that to get it's just like that form what we have made it in other video. But now it's just in fact it's just a video, a form. I'm saying okay, it's just a form, and the form has an action, and that action is going to be verification. Okay, here I'm going to copy this. Here I put this one here, and I say method is going to be post here. just standard one, multi-form data, and closing it. But closing it, form data, and just like this. And here then we say our input type is going to be file, for example, because we want to upload something, and name is just say file, and like this again. One input type is going to be submit. Just so simple. Submit. And again I'm closing it here, and here form closed, and let's check it out how it looks like. That's like this, and this is a standard template. We just copy this to all of our pages. That's nothing. And this is that mechanism. This is what we make here. That's exact our front end stocks. And here now what we are saying here is say send this data, send here when someone click there, go to this endpoint. This endpoint it doesn't exist, but we are going to make it, and it is exist after that. Okay, and for that I'm saying here a function, a method, identity verification, and that is this, and it has a simple one, app dot root verification, and that is verification. Methods is equal to methods like this, get that is get oh post, get to post. And here I have made a folder here in a static one, in a static folder, and for you to see that is here, and you can choose where you want. I say I want to save it, for example, here, pie chart, and then I am going to this one, static, and F folder. That is this one. Okay, I'm going to empty this one to make it empty. And now first of all here I want to say a configuration of app that config, and that is just I want to say that's upload, for example, upload folder. Okay, and here is equal to, and I have there a static, and I have made a new folder there like F, but I need to make it easy like that. So okay, this is our path, and if request dot method is equal to post, and then f is equal to request dot files, and that is file, the name what we gave them in our verification file. And like this I get that file was that, and file name say file name is equal to secure file. For that you have to import a library. The secure file name f.file name, and now I'm going to save it. I'm going to save it where I am going to save it here. This is our path, and you can here say C, new folder, D, or whatever you want. I say this is copy one. Okay, and do like this, app.config, and here or upload folder, so and file name. If it successfully goes further, what you are going to return? You're going to return a page as success. Success dot HTML, and this is this success. And what is in that success? This success page is the same page, just I have removed that, nothing special. And here just I say successfully uploaded, and those things. Okay, SUC SESS success HTML and return again render template, and you say here verification dot HTML. Yeah, let's check it out. This is the fact. We have to get our files here. Oh yeah, what is that, my boy? Like this, and then I say like that. So okay, verification, verification. Let's check it out. I am going there. Let's first check this one. Let's check it out. What I want to say now is say if I'm going there, I am clicking there, verification, methods get and post, and I say like this. Wait, do that again. Yes, you see that slash. Okay, I go there and I say now I want, for example, to upload beer data. I say submit it. I say file successfully sent. But now let's check it out here. See, this is that F folder, and this is our file. Do one more. For example, what I have there, bro. This one, submit, and let's check it out here. And if you take a look here, you see it directly also here. Okay, so on you get files, folders, what you want from your username to verification. And we have to make also a mechanism to it's about security, but not really security. We want to make just for everyone just an account. It's a type of security, and in the next one I am going to explain it. Have a nice day. See you in the next one.